The criminal case against a local lawyer has taken a strange turn. Now another hearing has been scheduled for tomorrow to straighten things out.
WMTW News 8's Paul Merrill joins us now, and it sounds like there's some confusion.
A lot of confusion, a lot of unanswered questions, and whatever this judge was trying to do by listing do's and don'ts for journalists in his courtroom, his move ended up breathing new life into a story that should have been over and done with yesterday. Deputies took Anthony Sineni into custody back in September. The local defense lawyer was facing charges of domestic violence and witness tampering. Yesterday, Sineni and his lawyer were in a Cumberland County courtroom as part of a plea agreement. But before that plea, Judge Jeffrey Moskowitz told reporters that they wouldn't be able to report anything Sineni or the case witnesses said in open court.
Yeah, I've been doing this for almost 17 years. If something happens in a criminal court, it's fair game. I can report what happens.
Scott Dolan covers courts for the Portland Press-Herald and is not the type of guy who takes no for an answer without a good reason.
I said, in all my years of doing this, I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen a judge issue an order from the bench barring the media in the courtroom from covering what's in the public courtroom. So this is the first.
University of Southern Maine law professor Dimitri Baum says he's heard of judges issuing directives like this before, but they don't stand up under scrutiny.
But generally speaking, judges can't order open court proceedings to be closed. You know, those are generally considered public record, public property, so the court has said in some cases, and generally the public has right to access that information.
So here's what happened. Sineni acknowledged that there was enough evidence to convict him of assault and disorderly conduct charges. As for his sentence, all Sineni has to do is stay out of trouble for 2 years, and he'll avoid going to jail.
The reason court proceedings are public is to make sure everything is done fairly and properly. And often the media in the courtroom is acting as the public eye.
Judge Moskowitz and his superiors wouldn't comment today, citing the fact that the Sineni case is technically still an open case. Tomorrow's hearing is scheduled for 11 a.m. Live in the studio, Paul Merrill, WMTW News 8.